Hello everyone, I'm Rismawati. I'm student of English Education Study Program in Universitas Mercu Buana Yogyakarta. And this video is for my examination for ICT in Language Teaching. My lecturer is Mr. Daniel Widyatama. And today we are going to discuss about two applications. They are Padlet and Virtual Writing Tutor. How to use it and what is the benefit for our English language teaching. So first, we talk about Padlet. Padlet is an application that allows its users to collaborate on text, photos, links, or other content. Each of these collaborative spaces is called wall, which can be used as a personal bulletin board, also called wall magazine. Teachers and students can use Padlet to encourage creative multimedia conversation and brainstorming. There are many features of Padlet for students to develop listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. Students can interact with the teachers as if they are in a real class. Students can upload writings, videos showing their writing and speaking skills, and other students can also read and view the results of their friends' videos or writings. Okay, so we go to Padlet page and we can register there. Okay, here. We can sign up if you don't have any account yet. I already had an account. I use my Gmail account. It is much more simpler. And so here we can make a Padlet. Here we can click. And then we can choose Canvas. Okay, we can write the title. Maybe meeting first. And then we can write the description. Please read the materials and submit your assignment as soon as possible. And then we can choose the icon here. And then we can change the wallpaper. There are so many wallpapers here. You can choose as you like, and I choose this one. Okay. And then we allow comments and also reactions. I choose this one, like our love. Okay, so next, and our post is ready. So we start to upload the content. We can pick a file. This one, my file. So we have to prepare our material before, of course, and we can check it before we upload. Okay, it's ready, and we can write the title. For example, showing showing sympathy. Let's learn how to show care and sympathy to others, and how to respond. Okay, so this This is ready now, and we can, if we want a new post here, there are so many features here. You can here record your audio, and also there is video recorder, YouTube, and many more. And with these features, students can explore their language skills, teachers can monitor students, and students can also learn from other teachers and friends. For listening skills, the teacher can prepare video or audio material so that the students can learn it, and student watches for listening in the form of audio and songs. For speaking skills, students can upload videos or audios when presenting assignments. As for reading and writing skills, students read the material uploaded by the teacher and give them feedback on the reading to Padlet. So this is very nice and useful application. And then, yeah, useful, so useful. So if you want to share, we just click here, click share, and we can change the privacy here. You want to set it as public post, or private, or you need a password for members only. Okay. And here visitor permissions can write. Okay, I just can write. And also I set public, and then we can save, and we can share. We can copy link, and then we can share to email, Facebook, Twitter, or Google Classroom. It's very easy to use, right? And very nice application. So we go to the second application. So we go to virtualwritingtutor.com here, and then we can copy paste here any text, and let's try to count the words. Oh, no. Okay, there are 537 word count, and there are 20 sentences count, and paragraph. There are 5 paragraphs. Okay, and then let's check the grammar. So there are some grammar mistake here. We get feedback as well, and the type of error and suggestion here. So it is very nice application. And then we can check our score here. Argument. Okay, this is our score, 52. Okay, let's try again. And yeah. So I think virtual writing tutor is very helpful to improve our writing skills. It helps to correct our mistake in writing. However, it is only to lighten up our work, but everything comes back to us. How do we learn to continuously improve our English skills to be good or perfect? Okay, so good luck, and thank you so much for your kind attention.